let's up and tool is on. We will use the different options here. Explore the changes. I will add an image over that. So that's the image. I will take it, embed on the shape. Here is a clipping mask we have generated. Also, we can pick up some image shapes from the custom shapes option. Also, we will embed that one, make it fixed. So that's the clipping mask.